Welcome back. Another day to celebrate. Again, Nasdaq is moving forward with fresh eyes, new highs every single day. We're making new highs. But if you can look at Nasdaq right here, I'm showing on my screen. By the way, welcome to the channel. I'm Damani, and I do break down stocks technically and also the fundamental momentum of the stocks and break it down technically. So now this is one of the technical aspects. I'm just going to go ahead and remove these lines. Why? Because NASDAQ is doing nothing but making all-time highs every single week. We can see that today around 10:34, 1 hour and 4 minutes after market open, NASDAQ pushed on up to an all-time high, almost 200-day points, closing the day out and 122 points and 75 cents. Why? Because again, it's earnings season, and who haven't seen my video, you can go ahead and watch the videos that I made yesterday and the day before. It will help the channel out and keep you more informed of what's going on in the market as well. So Wednesday again, big tech is out. Alphabet is reporting earnings, and Tesla also reporting earnings. If we can look at Tesla from a closer perspective right over here, we can see that Tesla gave up some of its day gains because Tesla was trading, I think, around 130 $335 a share, and they pulled back after hours to give up, like, I would say, like couple zero, less than 1%, which is not bad. But for the last 5 days, the stock has been running up from 311 all the way up to currently $328 a share. And I can't wait for Wednesday to see what they report, because again, it's a stock that I'm watching, and I want to get my hands and get some shares in this company. So again, um patiently waiting for Tesla to report earnings. But other than that, 10-year treasury heel retracted again. It's the same thing week in, week out. You just have to find your place in the market and take advantage of it, because Nasdaq is making all-time high every single day, no doubt about it. Every single day, Nasdaq is making all-time high. Where economic data is concerned, not much to be concerned about, other than we'll say continuous claim and initial claim coming out Thursday. But Wednesday is a big day because it brings forth a lot of news where stock reports are concerned. And let's see what other best earnings are out this week. I think we have over 30 earnings this week, 33 earnings that's coming out this week, which is Verizon. We have so much of them: Domino Pizza, Crown Holdings. But Tesla is one that's really catchy because it's a big tech, and also Alphabet. So, and healthcare techs are reporting this week. But again, if you want me to go over break down these stocks, please just let me know. Comment on the video and let me know what stock you want me to break down, and I'll go ahead and do so. Look at the technical aspect of it and the fundamental aspect of it, and see if it's going to make you any money going forward, and if it's a right investment for you. We never know what's the right investment until we do our due diligence and then go ahead and do so. But not much today to go over. I just want to bring forth to you like updates for the market coming next week, and also updates in regards to earnings and what to expect. Where today is concerned, let's see, which is um, which is this afternoon. I am assuming that most of these company already reported, because these were before the market open, which is Verizon. Let's go over Verizon real quick. And ROP, Roper Technology. So let's go over those two real quick to see what happened this morning, because I didn't take a look at them. So VZ for Verizon, I think they beat earnings. Yes, because the stock popped. Stock was up over 4% today. So again, Verizon was trading at $40, pushed up to $42. Not much there, but this is just not something I would definitely invest in. Why? Because look at this. There's no consistent momentum, other than highs, low, highs, low, highs, low, highs, low. So it's not something, but as you can see that it formed previously support at $40 a share. Now it's currently trading at 42. Not for me, not something that meet my criteria of investing. So I will stay away from that. So let's break the other stock down, which is ROP. Let's see what they have in store. ROP, because they reported this morning. All right. So let's see. This is another one too. I will definitely not put my two eggs in this basket. Excuse me, sorry about that. Did my 9 to 5 today and came home and updating you guys. So please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel to help the channel out. So for I would say this is definitely a long-term play. You can see that when it goes up, it falls heavily as it goes up. You see that it was trading at $595, almost $600. Something happened, sharp sell off to $512, and you can see that it's still in that consolidation phase. um, I assume they beat earnings today because they were up 7.12 points and on 1.34%. So it was up over $7 today. So I assume the stock was trading anywhere around $540 a share, and it gained $11. So that's something to look into, but this doesn't mean that there's no consistency here. For the last 5 years, you can say definitely it has been good, but again, you can see that there's again steep sell-off, steep upside, and it whensoever it goes up, it comes back down heavier. So that's something. The price is too high for me, and also that's not something that I'll look into. So let's break down NXPI. I think this one I've heard about it a lot. NXPI. Let's see. It seems like they beat earnings too. NXPI consistency for the long term. But you guys see now there's a sharp sell off here to 146. Now I'm currently trading at $228 a share, which is good, which is definitely good. And I think that they had beat earnings because the stock or the result is not out yet. It's still after 5, not even 5:30. So it's something to look forward to, which is earnings $2.28 estimate, and they were looking forward to $2.72. Let's look at after hours, show extended hours. They missed, and look at that. So they missed after hours, and now the stock is trading at $213 a share. I will stay away because chances are, even though once we've seen the stock pull right here, it's something to watch, and I'm going to definitely add it to my watch list. Why? Because if you look at the pattern, you can see that once they bounce here, they always push back up, but with time. So it's something that I'm going to add. Wow, not something that you really want to, because look, it's a high risk. Look at this. So again, I'm going to add it to my watch list and watch it to see if it falls below $212 a share, because if that, I want to know when, so I can gear myself up to get in when the opportunity presents itself. So another miss, and not much other than Nasdaq keep going up, but most of the stocks are lagging behind, and they're not moving forward. They're just moving sideways, pushed up, moving sideways, except for Meta. Meta pullback, and Netflix made a huge turnaround today, pushing up right back to, I never saw this point, but it's now trading at $1,233 comparing to this earlier this morning when it was trading at one. I would say they were trading for the day. Let's see, for the day when they had a low of 119 11 1198, when they were trading at 1198, and you can see that they push all the way up to 1237, which is good. So for long-term investors in Netflix, I think it's on its way back up. So I might get some shares, not sure yet when, But we all know that Nasdaq is not going to continue to rally like this for a long period of time, because we can all agree that market is super super overbought, and with earnings it's going to be even more super overbought. So with time, we'll see and readjust to the market and invest where it's wisely, and we can make a great return on our money. But until then, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. Let me know in those comments what I can help you with, and what can I break down for you fundamentally and technically to help you build your account and grow wealth. Until then, see you.